You can change your Facebook profile name. It's fucking so easy. You can do that immediately from your phone or either your computer. Fucking go your Facebook and tap on your profile icon, right button option, three dot with profile, and write down, and here is the two options, setting and privacy. Click on there and click on setting. My fucking man is um, playing musical instrument surround my region, so therefore sorry, don't mind. So up down, and here is a account center. Click on there and click on profile and click on here your Facebook profile and click on name option, and here you can immediately change your name. If you cannot change last 90 days your name, you can do that immediately. You can able to change your name if you cannot, if you didn't change your name within 90 days. So it's easy to do. I'm hoping you will get this video something, and see you later. Until that, happy hunting.